Your experience at Monmouth College was shaped by memorable professors such as Stafford Weeks, Gracie Peterson, Sam Thompson, and Doc Kieft, who impacted your day-to-day experiences at Monmouth College.
But many others made that experience possible.
Others that you never knew of or even met.
Alumni, parents, and friends of the college who provided support for your education.
Who made your experience affordable.
Who made it possible.
Donors are the lifeblood of student scholarships, campus renovations, and an innovative curriculum. Everything they help us do develops the leaders of tomorrow.
Because of alumni,
parents, and friends like you, today's students,
tomorrow's students,
can have that same experience.
Your support is changing lives.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your continued support.
Thank you for all the donors that have made gifts this year to the Monmouth Fund. Your collective support has helped make Monmouth College a stronger institution. Your contribution is an investment in our students' future so that they may have an unparalleled education.